Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about the new Magic Design templates from Canva. So this is a newer feature, so normally you could go to your templates and find just about anything, all the categories. You could search for templates, then you could just load one up once you click on it and then start editing it. So this Magic Design feature, so this kind of will use kind of like an AI type of thing. So what they will do is you will load some media, and then you could pick your design elements that you want to apply to that template, and then it'll give you some samples that you could use, and then you could tweak it as needed. So the easiest way to find it is just to go to the search box, type in Magic Design, then you have this Magic Design template, and then you could filter it if you want to just kind of narrow it down when you start creating it. And you can also choose a category too if you want, so I'm going to leave everything on. So what you need to do is click on Insert Media, and then you could either pick something from your uploads, or you could browse and upload something from your computer. So I'm going to use this pool icon here, or pool photo. So right away, shrink this down a bit here, you can see it gives me some designs based on all the categories that I have selected, which is everything. So for flyers, YouTube thumbnails, banners, stories, bookmarks, and so on. And then of course you could go here, and if you want to change it just to social media, if you want to pick Facebook posts, then it'll kind of change what it gives you, and then you could go back to all categories like so. And then you also have the style and headline section here. So the media here, if you want to choose a different file, you could do that. Then when you go to style, you have styles, and then you also have, just getting cut off the page here, let me try this again, vibes and themes. So let's say we want to use, let's see if we could find something a little bold here. This guy here, and you could pick one style, but you could pick more than one vibe. So let's pick abstract, party, and texture, just for fun. And click on See Results. And so you can see it use that font and that color scheme for the results here. And then you kind of scroll through them. And of course you could go back, change it to something else. And then you could remove these if you want. Let's get rid of the texture, see results. And we have some new ideas here. And then you could do the headline if you want to add some text. Obviously you can add the text later, but if you want to have it add it for you so you can see how it looks. Add to results. Then you can see it updates the results with your headline there. Then once you find something you like, just click on the ellipsis here. You can preview this template if you want to see it. Then customize this template. Kind of takes you the same thing here, but it'll actually open it in a new project. And then you can start working on it as usual with your elements and customizing it, and then downloading it or sharing it like you would normally do so. All right, so once again, just type in Magic Design in the search box from your templates here, and then you could just upload your media, play with your styles, add your headline, then you could clear everything if you want to start over, and then once you find something you like, you could either preview it or customize it to open it in the editor, and then you could start working on it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.